Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Jennifer and we're in my kitchen. We're gonna go ahead and demonstrate some strawberry dipped chocolates with white wafers and red gel food coloring. If this is your first time stopping by, I thank you. If you're a returning viewer, I appreciate you coming back. If you have not already subscribed, please do so. Comment, like, and share. Now our strawberries, our area has already been sanitized. My hands are clean. The strawberries have been rinsed. We're gonna go ahead and get started. The chocolate is in the process of melting now in the Wilton melting pot. And yeah, with no further ado, we're gonna go over the supplies real quick and get started. Okay, so we have our supplies. Of course, we have our Wilton melting pot with the silicone insert, double-sided. We put white wafers in both sides, and one side we're going to dip with. We have our spatula as well, our utensils. And that was that. Sprinklers, sprinkles, some red sprinkles, and then yeah, those were the toothpicks that fell on the other side that we actually put into our strawberries. And this is the red gel, if you can see that. And our strawberries. We have 40 strawberries. And then our silicone mat, which makes everything a little simpler. This, of course, is the parchment paper that I mentioned that I had before. So we're going to go ahead and get started, guys. So let's go ahead and stir this side too. And look at our consistency so we know it is good to go. And this is going to be our dipping side. But I am going to add some more wafers over here, just so we know that we have it submerges very well in there. And then that chocolate will melt really quick. And then guys, I want you to know I got some new glasses. I don't know if anybody noticed it, but these are my new specs. I've had them for a few months. I just put them on because I really can't see out the other ones. Okay. Those few have melted. I'm running low on my little wafer stock. All right, gonna go ahead and get this dipping started. Actually, let's do this. Let's experiment with this gel. See what's going on with this gel. So, I want to be a little cautious, on the cautious side, because I've never used this gel before, so I have no clue of its potency. But let's see if you can see it. I'm just gonna put a drop in it. What happens? Oh, that's one drop. Let's see here. Maybe I should put it this way so you can see it. It's looking kind of pink. Well, it's a perfect pale pink. If that's what we were trying to achieve. Look. But we're going for red. So, put another dip in there. Alright, we don't want to take too much time doing this. We don't want to burn our wafers, our chocolate. Almost. So that's like the third drop. Okay. We're getting there. We're getting there. And I put like 6 drops in here. And the gel, I guess, is better than food coloring seasons your wafers up. I experienced that. So don't use regular food coloring for dipping or changing your color of your chocolate. Of course, we use the white wafer to achieve this color here. So we're just gonna go with work with what we have. It's okay. All right. And that might be okay. So let's keep going. I'm taking too much time doing this. Let's dip. I'm gonna eat all that chocolate. Okay, first one to dip. Of course, we pull our leaves back with our toothpick already on it. We dip and let the excess drip off. And always wrap the back of mine so that way I don't have that extra. We'll get all these done and we'll be back. And voila, here are our 40 dipped strawberries. This is the attempt at the red. And then we also did some Oreo cookies covered in chocolate. We added some chocolate covered pretzels, mini pretzels. I also attempted a breakable mini heart, smashable. And then we have our plain white. And here's the red with the candies on top. And bam, new addition of breakable, smashable heart with Oreos. And until next time, guys, be good to yourself. Subscribe, like, share, and comment. Until next time, peace out.